हेलो फ्रेंड्स, आज हम एनसीएल असिस्टेंट फोर में मैकेनिकल एग्जाम 2020 के लिए मॉडल पेपर है क्वेश्चन आंसर पढ़ेंगे। क्वेश्चन, फॉर द सेम साइज एंड वेट आर टू स्ट्रोक इंजन एज कंपेयर टू फोर स्ट्रोक इंजन विल जनरेट पावर। आंसर ऑप्शन डी अबाउट 1.7 टाइम्स। क्वेश्चन, इफ पेट्रोल इज यूज्ड इन अ डीजल इंजन देन आंसर ऑप्शन ए हायर नॉकिंग विल अकर। Question, which of the following fuel has little tendency towards detonation? Answer option B isooctane. Question, compression ratio for compression ignition engines usually varies between. Answer option D 14 to 25. Question, hunting occurs due to. Answer option A over control by the governor. Question, an ignition coil in the spark engine performs the function of. Answer option C supplying high voltage to the spark plug. Question, theoretically the following engine should have maximum efficiency. Answer option D 4-stroke CI engine. Question, thermal conductivity of glass wool varies from sample to sample because of variation in. Option A structure correct. Option B composition correct. Option C density correct. Answer option D all of the above correct. Question, the concept of overall coefficient of heat transfer is used in heat transfer problems of. Answer option D conduction and convection. Question, steel and cast iron pipes are cast by. Answer option C true centrifugal casting. Question, sieve pattern is used for molding parts having. Answer option C uniform symmetrical shape. Question, anti-oak process is a. Answer option C process of making porous molds. Question, loam sand comprises of. Answer option C 50% clay and 18% moisture. Question, lifter is. Answer option D used to scoop sand deep in the mold. Question, the brazing process is carried in the temperature range of. Answer option D 700 degrees Celsius to 900 degrees Celsius. Question, the arc in argon arc welding takes place between the. Answer option D non-consumable tungsten electrode and workpiece. Question, thermite welding is a form of. Answer option C fusion welding. Question, distortion in welding occurs due to. Answer option B improper clamping methods. Question, the temperature of the inner luminous cone of neutral flame is the order of. Answer option D 3500 degrees Celsius. Question, the purpose of jigs and fixtures is to. Option A increase machining accuracy correct. The purpose of jigs and fixtures is to facilitate interchangeable manufacture correct. The purpose of jigs and fixtures is to increase production rate correct. Answer option D all of the above correct. Question, gears are best mass produced by. Answer option B hobbing. Question, blanking and piercing operation can be performed simultaneously in. Answer option C compound die. Question, in which of the following operation on lathe the spindle speed will be minimum? Answer option D thread cutting. Question, in most high speed milling cutters positive radial rake angle is. Answer option C 10 degree to 15 degree. Question, quick return mechanism is used in. Answer option D slaughter machine. Question: tool life is most affected by machine. Answer: option A, cutting speed. Question: the machining method which uses abrasive slurry is known as. Answer: option D, ultrasonic machining. Question: size of planer is specified by. Answer: option C, size of table and height of cross rail. Question: the number of helical grooves which are present in a standard tube drill is usually. Answer: option A, 1. Question: which abrasive particle would you choose for grinding tungsten carbide tool inserts? Answer: option C, diamond. Question: the thread micrometer measures. Answer: option C, the effective diameter of the thread. Question: the diameter of internal fluid tubes in a Lancashire boiler compared to its shell is. Answer: option D, 2/5. Question: the best suited coal for chain or travelling great stoker boiler is. Answer: option B, non-coking or free burning coal. Question: fire tube boilers are those in which. Answer: option D, flue gases pass through tubes and water around it. Question: the crown of the firebox is made hemispherical in order to. Answer: option D, resist intense heat in firebox. Question: forces are called coplanar when all of them acting on body line. Answer: option B, one plane. Question: according to Lami's theorem. Answer: option D, if three forces acting at a point are in equilibrium, each force is proportional to the sine of the angle between the other two. Question: the units of moment of inertia of an area are. Answer: option B, मीटर की पावर 4. Question: if n is equal to number of members and j is equal to number of joints, then for a perfect frame n is equal to. Answer: option C, 2j minus 3. Question: moment of inertia of a right circular cylinder of radius r and mass m about its axis is given by. Answer: option A, m r square. Question: on psychrometric chart, dry bulb temperature lines are. Answer: option B, vertical. Question: boiling temperature of CO2 is. Answer: option B, minus 78.5 degrees Celsius. Question: the following gas is preferred in refrigeration system. Answer: option B, freon 22. Question: one of the reasons for an evaporator to not cool may be. Answer: option A, frozen oil. Question: subcooling occurs when the vapor. Answer: option B, removes sensible heat from the refrigerant. Question: the following leak detector can be used on a positive halocarbon refrigerant system. Answer: option C, electronic leak detector. Question: strain is defined as the ratio of. Option A, change in volume to original volume. Correct. Strain is defined as the ratio of change in length to original length. Correct. Strain is defined as the ratio of change in cross sectional area to original cross sectional area. Correct. Answer: option D, any one of the above. Correct. Question: proof resilience per unit volume of a material is known as. Answer: option C, modulus of resilience. Question: the dimension of Young's modulus of elasticity are given by. Answer: option A, m की पावर 1, l की पावर -1, t की पावर -2. Question. Diamond riveted joint can be adopted in the case of following type of joint. Answer option A, butt joint. Question. Longitudinal stress in a thin cylinder is. Answer option C, half of the hoop stress. Question. The shear force diagram for a cantilever beam carrying a uniformly distributed load over its length is a. Answer option A, triangle. Question. Maximum slope in case of a cantilever of length L carrying a load P at its end will be. Answer option B, PL square upon 2EI. Question. Metacentric height is the distance between the metacenter and. Answer option C, center of gravity. Question. Hot wire anemometer is used to measure. Answer option D, gas velocities. Question. The pillow which neglects changes in a transverse direction is known as. Answer option A, one dimensional pillow. Question. Pulley in a belt drive acts as. Answer option C, rolling pair. Question. Fuselier mechanism has. Answer option A, 8 links. Question. The governor used in gramophone is of the following type. Answer option A, Pickering. Question. Which of the following is not a flexible coupling? Universal boost pin Oldham's is a flexible coupling. Muff is not a flexible coupling. Answer option C. Question. The path of contact in involute gears is. Answer option A, a straight line. Question. A big advantage of surface hardening by nitric process is that. Answer option C, parts need not be caused. Question. Tempering temperature of most of the materials is of the order of. Answer option B, 200 degrees Celsius to 300 degrees Celsius. Question. Austenite is a combination of. Answer option B, cementite and gamma iron. Question. Francis Kaplan and propeller turbines fall under the category of. Answer option B, reaction turbines. Question. The notch angle of the iodide impact test specimen is. Answer option D, 45 degree. Question. Which of the following is a permanent fastening? Answer option D, rivets. Question. A bench vise has following type of threads. Answer option D, Acme. Question. In standard taper roller bearings, the angle of taper of outer race phase. Answer option D, 25 degree. Question. Gas turbines work on. Answer ऑप्शन ए कांस्टेंट प्रेशर साइकिल। फ्रेंड्स यदि आपको वीडियो पसंद आए प्लीज़ वीडियो को लाइक कीजिए, आपने चैनल सब्सक्राइब नहीं किया चैनल सब्सक्राइब कीजिए और इस वीडियो को अधिक से अधिक शेयर कीजिए।